this too. All right, so support with the 1014.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me get that shotguns 1014. I have on the 1014. I am running a FLIR sight. Do you have that? It's in the mid-range.
Yes, I do. I do have that.
Let's put that on.
I'll have that's at close range. Mid-range, I only have. No, there's no FLIR at mid-range.
Yeah, there is at the very bottom.
Nope, that's close range.
Oh, close range. Do you have that?
Yep.
All right, put that on. All right, you pick the accessory.
Okay, well.
I don't have anything unlocked for it.
I only have canted iron sights and laser sight.
Oh, I don't have anything, so I can't put anything on there. So, what barrel do you have? I only have a duckbill.
I have full choke.
All right, I have to run my duckbill because I don't have that. And anything with the shots?
Ammo.
Wait,
well,
shit! I'm looking at. Hold on.
I'm running buckshot right now, but I have the slug, 12-gauge slug.
All right, what sights do you have? Do you have the RDS or the Holo?
I have Coyote RDS, Reflex RDS, Holo 1X, which is what I was running.
All right, I put that back on because I don't have the I thought I had it. So put that back on.
You don't have the FLIR?
No, I don't. Not for the 1014.
Okay.
All right, what? You pick the accessory. Anything
well,
you want.
You said you don't have anything for it.
I do have it. I was looking at the 870.
I just have canted iron sights, magnifier, and laser sight. That's anything I have.
All right.
And I was running no accessory.
Well, pick one. Anyone you want. I don't care.
I don't ever use it, but I guess canted iron sights. Or no, maybe the toggleable. No, see the 2x zoom, I'd never toggle it. I guess canted iron sights. I'd never use it, but.
Well, put a laser beam on then.
Laser beam, sure.
The laser beam, regular one, just laser beam on altogether.
Laser sight.
All right, and then I have full choke.
Yep, that's what I've been running.
Let's go with hip. Do you have modified choke?
Nope.
You don't have that one?
Nope.
Let's go with. Do you have duckbill?
Yes.
It actually is better for hip fire and stability.
Okay, got it.
Let's run that. Do you have any other shots for it?
I have buckshot and slug.
All right, let's throw with the slug. And what about your UnderBarrel? Yeah, you pick that.
I am running the Stubby grip for a little bit of improved accuracy.
All right, I'll put that on. And what color are you running?
Just flat default black.
Oh, I'm running Adaptive Tiger.
Adaptive Tiger? I don't have Tiger.
No,
I have some adaptive, but...
Okay. So I'm running a mortar plus a UCAV.
I don't have the UCAV. I have ammo box and mortar.
All right. You got the ammo box. Good. All right.
Yep.
Deploy anywhere you want, and I'll spawn on you. Let's record this bad boy.
Yeah, I'm going to spawn in at Bravo. There's 2 guys on the map showing, too, at the door. Oh! Turn around. This guy just killed me behind. Actually, a different guy got you.
Yeah. Got off my left. Everyone's running these explosive rounds now.
I know. Now I'm outside.
Yep, I'm with you. There was guys right over here.
Somebody's running a UCAV. Look out.
Shit!
Kitchen.
Right from the kitchen, yeah.
Well, this is a horrible start.
I know. I'm getting freaking murdered. Murked.
So the slug rounds better than the other ones?
Slug rounds, they're more like a they're not, there's no spread to them. So it's just like a
better accuracy then.
Well, you have to have better accuracy. You're gonna point, yeah, you're gonna shoot. That way you're gonna hit.
Or I'm gonna drop my mortar, fire with it.
Are you outside?
I was, but I came back inside. Not much going on out there.
Alright, I'm outside going to Charlie.
I just shot a dude in the face.
Did you?
And so, well,
fuck!
Slug round, yeah.
Damn, I'm 0-3. Oh, I killed one person? How did I kill someone?
Being baller.
I don't know how that was. Oh, jeez, I'm gonna get murked by my own team.
Probably so.
The enemy has taken
I'm with you, dude. Shit!
Who got you?
Guy on the right stairs.
Said you were with me. That's what kind of freaked me out.
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
tapping C right now.
Well, you just went down the stairs. I didn't
Yeah. Okay.
get there yet. Got one! I got one! You got ammo?
Yeah.
Yeah!
It just sounded like you dropped in.
I just got darts unlocked.
Did you?
Yeah. I got another one! Right there in the hallway. Fuck.
I got that guy at the end of the
Yeah, dude. These freaking slug rounds, they're like laser beams for the shotguns.
Good.
Instead of the
I like
spread
that. I
like
like
the
that.
buckshot.
I didn't even know that. I like that. They're taking Charlie back. Oh, he dropped down to the side. He got me. I got him.
Where the hell are they? Oh, fuck. Fuck,
Oh,
RGO! Damn!
Spawn on Echo. I just spawned on you too late.
Did you?
Yeah.
All good. All good. Yo.
Wow, we went from having everything a little bit ago to having nothing.
That's because I joined in.
Guy on the hill. And he's moving.
Dance, pretty boy.
Probably went inside.
Look at all those rounds going off.
Guess I'll pick it up. Not much.
Can't really use that. Alright, I'm heading forward. Delta.
Dropped another dude at Delta.
So did I.
Woo! There. And they're on that hallway down there.
Got one. Oh, fuck. I got nailed.
Oh, you got shot with a Spaz 12. See, I have that unlocked too. I didn't know
Yeah,
if
but
that's better.
he's using the frag round, so it's got some splash damage.
Well, back to our deployment. Yuck.
I'm going out left. And I'm going to drop a mortar. You see anything?
Thing is, nobody's going outside because I was in the beginning of the map. I was doing some work out here. There's a mortar all the way down by Bravo outside. I see, but I think a guy just got it. He just took it out. Is that your UCAV?
Yeah.
I want kills too, so I'm gonna try to go in, I guess.
Oh yeah, dude.
Ah, there's a guy just inside, two up top. Dead. I don't want to record this anymore. I'm not doing very good. I only like to record myself doing well.
Objective Delta neutralized.
Fuck, he's right there. Shit. Lava grenade all the way in the back right corner.
Oh, I died trying to go in. The other way.
Oh, did you? We're on Bravo.
Objective Alpha is just neutralized. Taking control of
Shit, where am I got? Fuck.
Drop a mortar and fire the other way. There's a guy over here. Oh, I got him
Oh,
too.
damn it.
There's a guy up top, I think.
Okay. I nailed. Joey Crashes is on. Oh, I got rezzed. Nice.
You got res?
Yeah.
User joined your channel.
Oh, jeez. Here he is.
Hey, soldier, where are you going?
Oh, fuck. What the heck happened there? AWS got me. Not doing too good. 6 and 9. You're doing 15 and 11. That's not bad at all.
Guy up top.
Not anymore.
Objective Echo is
Got him?
neutralized.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I get a different guy got me. Got a different guy. Word. Oh, why did I spawn on Bravo? Dang it. Fun, man. I hate this thing. It's getting my nerves.
What's that?
Sun shining in my window, which I don't like. On my nerves. Can't see the screen.
Oh, there's 2 up on the top coming through the door.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
At Echo? Alpha?
Alpha, yeah.
We have lost objective Echo.
Not here now.
Drop your ammo.
Oh, they were in there to the left. I went out of bounds. Dang.
Oh, they came up from behind. Fuck. Damn it. Joey's on our team. Joey, getting team speak.
Damn it, I must have been muted that whole time.
Yeah, we weren't talking to you at all.
I was asking you, have you seen my baseball? And I got no response.
You see my baseball?
Have you seen my baseball?
Hey, Joey, we're running 10-14 shotguns with hollow sight, laser beams, stubby grip, and slug rounds.
Okay. That sounds like a lot of stuff on one gun.
It's because it's awesome.
I don't think I have any shotguns unlocked.
Wow, that's why you're not very good.
I only have 2 shotguns.
They're right there around the
unlocked.
corner, Stick.
Well, I just got the modified choke unlocked.
There you go.
Neutralized objective Echo.
Hey, Joey, look at my face.
Ow, I can't see. You like the laser?
Yeah, you're getting
Yeah.
shot, though.
I know. You distracted me.
From where?
Up top.
I don't see him.
Now control objective Echo.
Brought smoke. Damn it. I think we're gonna lose.
We are. This team's horrible. What? Nobody killed that spawn beacon. Okay.
What spawn beacon? Where was it?
I killed it.
Back in the corner where I just was.
I got him. I got him. I got him.
Oh.
Look at that. 14th
I don't know about
place.
those
We were ahead.
shotguns.
I did fine with them, but
Yeah, you did.
modify.